How to install MetaMask on Chrome or Firefox. Go to metamask.io and click Download, then click Install MetaMask for Chrome or Firefox. In this example, we are using Firefox. Click Add to Firefox, then click OK. On the top right corner, you will see a pop-up below the Firefox logo. Click OK, then click Get Started and follow the next prompts. Now we're ready to create your wallet. Click Create Wallet or import an existing wallet you already own by clicking Import Wallet. In this example, we will create a new wallet. Input your password, agree to the terms of use and click Create. Follow the prompts again and click Next. Get a pen and paper ready to store your recovery phrase. Do not share this with anybody to prevent your account being hacked. Input your recovery phrase on the next page and click Confirm. Congratulations! You have created your own MetaMask wallet. Your wallet address is located at the top center corner of your MetaMask account, under the account name. Thanks for watching.